Hi, I'm just going to explain to you how the EE writing day is going to work on Monday. So when the students come in, they have all been given a room to head for and register in. For some of the students, they will stay in that room all day. So if you have said that you can't have your extended essay student with you, then they will go to either G&A, the library, or D901, and they will be based there for the day, and you will go to them to speak to them about their extended essay. If you have said that you can have this student with you, they are still going to go to a specific room to register first, just to stop this kind of wandering around the school trying to find one another. So all of these students, for example, have been told to go to A703 for period 1. All of these students go to D601 and so on. If you scroll down, there's a few different rooms that they head for. This is a slightly unusual one because this is the physics lab, and I just had to put some of the IBCP students in there to register first of all. But then, as it says, once they've registered in this room, they will have had an email from you. So you need to email your student and let them know where you will be working period 1, so which classroom you're in, which space you're using, so that they can move to you by 8:50. So these students will come and register in B905, get themselves sorted. Teacher will just remind them of what's going to happen. They can check their email, find out where you are, and then head to you, and then they stay with you all day. And kind of follow you around. So if you move classrooms, they need to move with you. And for the English department, because I knew you were teaching year 10 period 1 and they would be pretty full classes, I've just said that the students should stay in A703 until the start of period 2. If you can take them sooner and you want them sooner, just email them and let them know that. And so for the teachers and the staffing, we've got staff supervision in all the rooms. So period 1 is quite busy because we've had to use more rooms for that period. If you're in a room where students are actually basically heading off to supervisors, you just need to make sure everyone's there, and then make sure that they know where they're going. That's the crucial bit. Don't let them just wander off if they don't know where Miss Van Dorsler is period 1. Help them work that out. The teacher should have emailed them, the supervisor should have emailed them. And then once your room's done and everybody's left, then you don't need to stay in there for period 1. The other rooms, so the library, the G&A and D901, we need to cover the entire day. So these are just like normal covers. And you can see we've put multiple people in G&A because there's going to be quite a lot of students down there, about 50 students in total. The library's got about 22 students, 24 students, and D901 is a full classroom. So we need you to be in there to supervise them because we can't have students working unsupervised on Monday. And those students should not be going off to find their supervisor. The supervisor will come to the room to the student, and then they might take them outside, they might take them somewhere else, but the student shouldn't be saying, oh, please can I just go and see Mr. Benji to check something. They need to email Mr. Benji. Mr. Benji will set something up, work something out, but don't let them just go off wandering at random, because we could potentially then have kids that are just wandering around and we don't know where they are. So I think that's it. Thank you in advance for your help and your flexibility. We've used year 12 staff to do the cover, so it doesn't create any extra work. And yeah, fingers crossed it all goes really well and the kids use the time and focus and get the most out of it.